Alright friends, so today I'm gonna make a very healthy breakfast, and that's gonna be the boiled chana chaat, and it's a horse gram or black chana. So I'm gonna add or enhance the power of black chana by putting some roasted makhana. So they are also a superfood and they're rich in calcium. Also I'm gonna add the avocados. It's a diced, I'm not mashing it. So as you know, avocado has a high omega-3 and also it has lots of good fatty acids, so that really helps boost your gut. And then I'm gonna put some diced tomatoes, onions, diced cucumbers, green chilies. It's optional, however you want to have how spicy you can have it. And then I'm gonna top with green cilantro and also with pomegranate seeds, and then finishing up with a hint of lime juice. So let's quickly get started. So now I'll add some onions to begin with, then tomatoes and diced cucumbers, and I'll add avocado, green chilies and makhana. I'm gonna add half makhana and half at the end, and now I'll mix it well. That's it. And then put some green coriander or cilantro, and then finally top with pomegranate seed. That's it. It's ready to consume.